In Beyond Compare, go ahead and click on Text Compare. Now let's go ahead and take two files and compare them together to see if Beyond Compare can find the difference. Now go ahead, click on File, click on Open File. Now let's just go ahead and find the text files here in this folder. Let's go with file 1. And then let us also go ahead and get another file here. We clicked on this folder over here, and let's go ahead and click on file number 2. And just like that, we've now seen the differences. So it's highlighted the difference right here in file number 1. This has been replaced with a different word. There's the additional text here, tablet that I added. Difference. So everything here can easily be found in probably less than a few seconds. So overall, I'm very impressed with the text compare feature here with Beyond Compare. Let me know if you knew that this was a feature. I had no idea until I recently downloaded the newest version, which is version 5. I usually use it to compare I usually use it to compare to do folder comparisons, but it's nice to see that they have a text compare feature as well. Hope you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more on the channel.